English grammar, tense test, for 6th class to 10th class. Fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. Do not copy the passage, but write in correct serial order the word or phrase appropriate to the blank space. Get ready for the test. Example 1. Has been. Over the last few years, there, 1, has, a significant increase in the number of people, 2, travel, to inhabitable or hostile places. Most of them, 3, drive, by a passion to achieve something that few others have been able to achieve. They, 4, want, to experience the adrenaline rush that such expeditions bring on. Traveling to difficult places. 5. Involve, both advantages and disadvantages. One of the biggest benefits of undertaking difficult journeys. 6. B. That they improve one's confidence in one's abilities. While the journey can be physically and mentally. 7. Exhaust, the exhilaration that one experiences upon its successful completion. 8. B. Not something that can be described in mere words. Here are the answers for the blanks in the passage. 1. Has been. 2. Traveling. 3. Are driven. 4. Want. 5. Involves. 6. Is. 7. Exhausting. 8. Is. Explanations for each blank. Has, the present perfect tense, has been, is used to indicate an increase that started in the past and continues into the present. Traveling, the gerund form is required after number of people, indicating the action they are undertaking. Are driven, the passive form, are driven, is used to show that people's actions are motivated by passion. Want, the simple present tense reflects the desire of individuals, which is a current state or preference. Involves, the singular verb, involves, is used to match the singular subject, traveling to difficult places. Is, the singular verb, is, agrees with the singular subject, one of the biggest benefits. Exhausting, the adjective, exhausting, describes the physical and mental toll of the journey. Is, the singular verb, is used to describe the exhilaration as a singular concept. Explanations for each blank, including Hindi. 1. Has been. Present perfect tense is used to describe a trend that started in the past and continues into the present. यह दिखाने के लिए उपयोग किया गया है कि पिछले कुछ वर्षों में यह घटना बढ़ रही है और अब भी जारी है. 2. Traveling. The gerund form is used to describe the action people are engaging in. यह लोग यात्रा कर रहे हैं को व्यक्त करता है. 3. Are driven. The passive form is used to indicate that people are motivated by their passion. लोगों को उनके जुनून द्वारा प्रेरित किया जा रहा है को दर्शाने के लिए यह सही है. 4. Want. Present tense is used to reflect the people's desire in the moment. यह उनकी मौजूदा इच्छा को व्यक्त करता है. 5. Involves. Singular verb matches the singular subject, traveling to difficult places. यह दुर्गम स्थानों की यात्रा के लिए सही क्रिया है. 6. Is. Singular verb, is, agrees with the singular subject, one of the biggest benefits. सबसे बड़े फायदों में से एक यह है कि को व्यक्त करने के लिए is का उपयोग किया गया है. 7. Exhausting. The adjective, exhausting, highlights the physical and mental toll of the journey. यह दिखाता है कि यात्रा शारीरिक और मानसिक रूप से थका देने वाली हो सकती है. 8. Is. Singular verb, is, refers to the exhilaration, treating it as a singular concept. यह रोमांच को एकवचन अवधारणा के रूप में प्रस्तुत करता है. Summary. पिछले कुछ वर्षों में इनहैबिटेबल या हॉस्टाइल स्थानों की यात्रा करने वाले लोगों की संख्या में काफी वृद्धि हुई है. उनमें से अधिकांश अपने जुनून से प्रेरित होते हैं, कुछ ऐसा हासिल करने के लिए जो बहुत कम लोग कर पाए हैं. वे अनुभव करना चाहते हैं एड्रेनालिन का रोमांच जो ऐसी यात्राएं लाती है. कठिन स्थानों की यात्रा में फायदे और नुकसान दोनों होते हैं. कठिन यात्राओं को पूरा करने के सबसे बड़े फायदों में से एक यह है कि यह आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाने में मदद करता है. हालांकि यह यात्रा शारीरिक और मानसिक रूप से बहुत थका देने वाली हो सकती है, सफलतापूर्वक इसे पूरा करने के बाद मिलने वाला रोमांच ऐसा होता है जिसे केवल शब्दों में व्यक्त नहीं किया जा सकता.